What's good, YouTube? Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about GameStop, ticker GME, a stock that I'm sure a lot of you know about and want to know what it's going to do in the near future. So don't worry, I got you guys. Make sure you stick until the end because you don't want to miss this one. And if you want to see more videos on how to trade the stock markets and get further updates on your favorite stocks, make sure you subscribe to my channel and drop a like on the video. And just a quick disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. This video is intended for entertainment purposes only. So a lot of people have a different opinions on how they trade this stock. Me personally, I like to buy it at key zones. So support, buy, resistance, sell. I believe buying it on the way up, it can become too stressful and exhausting, especially for the average person, as you constantly have to check, follow the price action, watch videos like this to see if your trade is going to be a winner or a loser. It becomes very stressful, which is why I prefer to buy at zones, and I'm going to show you what my personal trade setup for GME going forward is going to be. So looking at the shorter time frame, we see that there is short-term resistance about at this 225 zone. Tested on the 17th, tested again on Friday. After the second test, we had a move down and a close below the 50 MA on the short term. But when I trade, I'm more interested in the long-term chart. And this is what I see happening to GME. So in my first video on GME, it's unlisted now because the quality was really poor. If anyone cares to see it, drop a comment below and I will make that available for you to watch again. But I had recognized that this was a demand zone, right between this 40 level. So what is a demand zone? A demand zone is where you basically get a consolidation between this area, showing that there is equal amount of buyers, equal amounts of sellers. So this is where demand builds up. And when you see a move out of this demand zone is when the price starts to skyrocket. So that's what we saw here originally on the big up move to 480. When we did return back down to this prior demand zone where price did move before, in my previous video, I'd said this is a good area to start looking for buys. You're at a support, you're not buying it on the way up, prices settle down, it might get ready to rip again to the upside. Now at the time, I didn't predict it to go as high as it did, but that's why we watch the price action and we keep updates on our patterns consistently. So we had the move again at this demand zone. And as you can see on the way up, we created almost another demand zone where price it slowed down. There was more of an agreement between buyers and sellers, and then it ripped once again to the upside. So price tends to repeat itself, which is why I believe we could see on our wave 2 down a touch back into the demand zone. This is where I believe is the safe place to buy GME. As of course, in the long term, I do have an initial price target of 497 and then 586 based off of the Fibonacci retracements and extensions. So I believe that long term it is a good buy at any level, but I do believe that this is the zone that we will see a retouch on. So this is the first wave up, second wave down. Now the second wave down can end here. It's possible that we do see a move straight up, but I believe based off of the candlesticks, you have big bearish candlesticks going to the downside, long wicks on the upside, indicating that buyers are running out. Likely to see a move back to this demand zone where, as you could see from the volume as well, buyers accumulated. Then we could see a rip, must break this downtrend line that we have here, and we will see a retest of the highs, a retracement, and then new all-time highs, which will also lead us to a blue sky breakout, which we don't know how far it can go from there. But yeah, I wanted to make this video short and concise. That is my take on GME for now. I believe you should wait, watch the price action this week, especially after the quadruple witching day. History shows that the next couple days of the market tend to be red days after the quadruple witching day. So keep a watch on this ticker. It's a very interesting ticker. There is a lot of money to be made. And if you enjoyed this video, drop a like, comment some feedback, and subscribe to the channel for further content. Thanks for watching. Peace.